Okay, so today on the channel we're going to be unboxing the Nothing Phone 3. Just picked this up because it was on sale for $6.99 for the 512 gigabyte version. So I was like, screw it, why not? Let's give it a shot. So I went ahead and picked it up from Amazon. Just got here today. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what we've got inside. We'll start with this pull tab right here. Okay, and then it opens up over here on the side. Okay. Opens up. Let's see. Let's start with on the right side and see what comes in here. Okay, looks like we got our charging cable, USB-C to USB-C. See if you guys can see that right there. Clear cable on the end. That's one thing I love about Nothing is their transparent design that they have going on within their tech devices. One thing that I really like about Nothing as a brand. Let's see what else we've got in here. We've got a case. Not a lot of brands do that nowadays. Well, almost no brands nowadays do that. But yeah, you get a cool little see-through case. Oh, and this is another cool little accessory that they include. This is the SIM ejection tool. But like, of course, Nothing does theirs transparent. Love the look of that. Okay, there's nothing else. You get your basic paperwork, stuff like that. Nothing important there. Toss that. Okay, now let's open up this. So peel that right there. Sorry, I'm a little bit of a freak. I don't like to rip the paper when I'm unboxing stuff. I'm just a freak like that. I don't know why, but that's my preference. Alright, throw that out of here. Alright, there it is. Nothing Phone 3 in white. Initial impressions, build quality is pretty good, feels good in the hand. It's not too heavy, but it's not light to like where it makes it feel cheap or anything like that. I know a lot of people don't like the camera design. Me personally, I like things that are weird. I like things that stand out. I like things that are different. And so the camera design does not bother me at all. I love the look of the phone. I love the way it pops, and I know that as soon as I pull this out, everybody's gonna know that that's a Nothing phone. Like you cannot confuse this with anything else. This is a Nothing phone. Everybody who sees this design will know that's a Nothing phone right away if they know what this phone is at all. But yeah, I'm excited to get started to use this thing. Haven't used a Nothing phone probably since the 3A Pro. So I'm excited to be back on a Nothing device, and I'm going to be using this as my daily for probably the next couple weeks, maybe 30 days. We'll see how long I can use this for my primary device, because I'm going to put my iPhone to the side and use this as my daily device to see kind of what it's like switching from the iPhone from an iPhone user's perspective. I found a lot of Android devices in my life. Had everything from the S26 Ultra, S25, S24, S23 Ultra, lots of different OnePlus phones, yada, yada, yada. But I've been on iOS with the Apple ecosystem since last September, I believe. So this will be my first Nothing device in a long time, so I'm super excited to be using it. And so I'll be back maybe in about a week or so with my first initial review of what I think after a week in with the phone. And yeah, I'll report back to you guys in about a week and let you guys know what I think. Thanks for watching the video. Peace.